So once I'm explained it, please remove the explanation of fourth question, especially in my previous explanation. So let us start newly. Yes, sir. Let's go to question number 4. Name of the quadrilateral formed by the points -1, 0, 3, 1, 2, 2, and -2, 1. So first option parallelogram, second option rhombus, third option rectangle, fourth option square. So here what I'm given quadrilateral, nothing but 4 sides. So 4 sides plane figure, okay. It is enclosed by 4 sides. So namely what I'm taken A, B, C, D. So here what I'm taken A coordinates -1, 0, B coordinates 3, 1, C coordinates 2, 2, D coordinates -2 and 1. So by using the distance formula, we can find the AB, BC, CD and DA distance. So clearly, what is the distance formula in coordinate geometry? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Am I clear? So let's go to we are going to find the AB distance first. AB distance by using the A coordinate points and B coordinate points. So what I'm given A coordinate points -1, 0, -1, 0. What is the B coordinates? 3, 1, 3, 1. What is the distance formula? AB equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. Here what I'm taking x2, 3. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. x2 nothing but 3 minus x1, minus into minus plus 1 whole square plus y2 1 minus y1 0 whole square. So it can be written by using the A and B coordinate points. So therefore it can be written square root of 3 plus 1 4 square plus 1 minus 0 nothing but 1 square. So what is the value? Square root of 4 square 16 plus 1 square 1. So AB equals what I'm getting 16 plus 1 17. That is a AB value. Distance between AB square root of 17. So again we have to find BC distance. BC by using the distance formula. But here B coordinates what I'm given 3, 1. C coordinates 2, 2, 2. So by using the distance formula x2 minus x1, here C value is x2, y2, A value, B value what I am taken x1, y1. So x2 nothing but 2 minus y1, x2 minus x2, x2 minus x1, x2 value 2 minus x1 3 whole square plus y2 2 minus y1 1 whole square. It can be written as 2 minus 3 whole square nothing but minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 1 nothing but 1 square. So minus 1 whole square gives positive 1 square 1. So root 2. That is the BC distance. BC equals to root 2. Again we have to find CD distance. We are going to find the CD distance by using C coordinates. What I am given 2, 2 and D coordinates. In the question D coordinates what I am given -2, 1. -2, 1. By using the distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 value -2 minus x1 2 whole square plus y2 1 minus y1 2 whole square. So therefore it can be written as -2 minus 4 whole square plus minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 minus 1 whole square. So it can be written minus 4 whole square gives positive 16 minus 1 whole square also gives positive 1. So what is the value? Root 17. That is the CD distance. CD value root 17. Again we have to find DA distance by using the D coordinates and A coordinates. So D coordinates what I am given here. So D coordinates -2, 1. A coordinates minus 1 comma 0 by using the D and A coordinates. So how to find the distance between DA? By using the formula root over square x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here x2 value minus 1, A value is x2, y2, D value is x1, y. Minus 1, minus into minus, plus 2 whole square. This is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2, 0, minus 1 whole square. So it can be written minus 1 plus 2, nothing but 1 square. Plus 0 minus 1, minus 1 whole square. So plus 1 square, nothing but 1, minus 1 whole square gives positive 1. So root 2. So DA also root 2. So what I am getting here, AB value root 7, BC value root 2, and CD value root 7, DA value root 2. So clearly we need to understand. So in that figure, AB value root 17, and BC value root 2, CD value root 17, and DA value what I am getting, root 2. So opposite sides are equal, all sides are not equal. So clearly we need to verify through options B and D, eliminate them. What is a square? All sides are equal, but here is it getting all sides are equal? No. So all sides are equal. In rhombus also all sides are equal, but diagonals are not equal. So all sides are not equal. So rhombus also fails, square also fails. In the square all sides are equal, diagonals also equal. In rhombus all sides are equal, diagonals are not equal. But all sides are equal in rhombus and square. But here not getting all sides are equal. So rhombus and square are eliminate them. Then we have to verify parallelogram, rectangle. What is the difference between parallelogram and rectangle? So opposite sides are parallel and equal in parallelogram. In rectangle opposite sides are equal. So in a rectangle diagonals also equal, but in parallelogram diagonals are not equal. That is a very important point. So again we have to find diagonals also. So if you got a diagonals are equal, that is a rectangle. Diagonals are not equal, that is a parallelogram. Am I clear? So here what is the diagonals? AC and BD are diagonals. First one you have to find AC by using the distance formula. Here what is the A coordinates? -1, -1, 0. A coordinates -1, 0. C coordinate 2, 2, -1, 0. So C coordinates 2, 2. Am I clear? So we need to verify it. So what I am given? A coordinates -1, 0. B coordinates okay, C coordinates 2, 2. A and C is a diagonal. Okay, -1, 0, 2, 2. So what is the distance between AC? That is a diagonal. Okay, so x2 minus x1 plus whole square plus y2 minus whole square within the square root. Okay, square root of x2 minus x1. X2, yeah, what I am taken here, 2 minus into minus plus 1 whole square. X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 2, 2 minus y1 0 whole square. So it can be written square root of 2 plus 1 3 square plus 2 square. 2 minus 0 2 square. So 3 square value 9, 2 square value 4. What is the total? Root 13. That is AC. Again we have to find BD also. BD also one of the diagonals in that. So what is the B coordinates here? 3, 1. D coordinates -2, 1. B coordinates 3, 1 given. So what is the D coordinates? -2 and 1. So by using the distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. It is taken within the square root. So here what I am taking, x2 value 3 taken. 3. x2 minus x1 minus into minus plus 2 whole square, or x1 minus x2 whole square plus y minus y2. y1 minus y2 nothing but y minus 1 minus 1 whole square. So clearly 3 plus 2 5 square plus this is 0 square. So square root of 5 square value 25 plus 0 square 0. What I am getting here? 25. So that is the BD value. So finally, so AC and BD are diagonals. AC value root 13. So BD value is root 25. So both are not equal. So not equal means that quadrilateral should be a parallelogram. Option A is the right answer. So let's go to question number 5. Name of the quadrilateral formed by the points 6, 8, 3 comma 7, minus 2 comma minus 2, and 1 comma minus 1. Option A parallelogram, option B rhombus, option C rectangle, option D square. So here what I am given, quadrilaterals given. So let me take in. So A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. So what is the A coordinates? 6 comma 8. Here B coordinates 3 comma 7. C coordinates minus 2 comma minus 2, and D coordinates 1 comma minus 1. Am I clear? 6 8 3 7 minus 2 minus 2 1 minus 1. Am I clear? So it can be formed which type of quadrilateral? So you don't know. So by using the distance, we can find AB, BC, CD, and DA. So clearly we need to understand. So what is the distance formula? Distance equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Am I clear? So first one, we need to find the AB distance. AB distance. So clearly, so here what is the A coordinates? 6 comma 8, B coordinates 3 comma 7. So by using A and B coordinates, we will get AB distance. So what I am given, A coordinate 6 comma 8, B coordinate 3 comma 7. Am I clear? 3 comma 7. So by using distance formula, so what is the distance formula? Square root of x2, here x2 what I am taken 3 minus x1 6. So A coordinates x1 y1, B coordinates x2 y2, 3 minus 6 whole square plus y2 7 minus y1 8 whole square. So it can be written as square root of 3 minus 6 nothing but minus 3 whole square plus 7 minus 8 minus 1 whole square. So it can be written square root of minus 3 whole square gives positive 9 plus minus 1 whole square gives also positive 1. Okay. So total square root of 9 plus 1 10. So what is the AB length? 10. And similarly, again we need to find BC distance by using the same formula. But here what is the B coordinates? So B coordinates 3 comma 7 and C coordinates what I am given? Minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. Minus 2 comma minus 2. Am I clear? Yes. So by using B and C coordinates, we will get BC distance. So by using the distance formula, what is the distance formula? Square root of x2. Here B coordinates x1 y1, C coordinates what I am taken? x2 y2. So x2 nothing but minus 2 minus x1 3 whole square plus y2 minus 2 plus minus y1 7 whole square. So square root of, it can be written minus 5 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 whole square plus this is minus 2 minus 7 minus 9 whole square. So square root of, it can be written square root of minus 5 whole square gives positive 25 plus minus 9 whole square positive 81. So what is total? 106. So 106. This is a BC distance. Am I clear? So distance between BC equals to 106. So again we need to find CA. CA. So by using C coordinates and CD. So first one what I am taken, AB distance BC, next followed by CD because they are quadrilateral given ABCD. So again we need to find CD by using coordinates. So here C coordinates what I am given, C coordinates minus 2 comma minus 2, D coordinates 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma minus 1. So C coordinates x1, y1, D coordinates what I am taking x2, y2. So by using a distance formula, CD equals to square root of x2 nothing but 1 minus x2, x1 1 minus x1 minus into minus plus 2 whole square plus here y2 value 1 minus 1 minus y1 minus into minus plus 2 whole square. So it can be written square root of 1 plus 3 nothing 1 plus 2 3 square plus here minus 1 plus 2 1 positive 1 whole square. So it can be written square root of 3 square 9 plus 1 square 1. What is the value? Root 10. That is the CD distance. So what I am getting CD distance? Root 10. Again finally we need to find DA or AD. So what is the D coordinates here? So D coordinates 1 comma minus 1 and A coordinates 6 comma 8. By using the D and A coordinates we will get AD distance or DA distance. So by using distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. But here D coordinates x1 y1 taken, A coordinates x2 y2. So x2 nothing but 6 minus x1 1 whole square plus y2 8 minus y1 nothing but plus 1 whole square, minus into minus plus 1 whole square. So it can be written 6 minus 1 5 square plus 8 plus 1 9 square. So 5 square value 25, square root of 25, 9 square 81. So what is the value? Root 106. That is DA distance. So DA what I am getting? 106. Am I clear? So clearly we need to understand. So in that question AB distance root 10 and also get CD distance also root 10. So opposite. So AB distance what I am getting? Root 10 and DC distance also root 10. So what I am getting? BC distance root 106, AD distance also root 106. But here what I am getting? Opposite sides are equal. If opposites are equal, through option verification we can eliminate rhombus and square. B and D are eliminate them, because in rhombus all sides are equal, in square also all sides are equal. But here what I am getting? Opposite sides are equal. So what is that given quadrilateral? Maybe parallelogram or rectangle. So we don't know, because in parallelogram or rectangle opposite sides are equal and parallel. So in the rectangle also opposite sides are parallel and equal. But in parallelogram diagonals are not equal. In rectangle diagonals are equal. So again we have to find the diagonals. Here which one is diagonals? AC and BD are diagonals. Am I clear? AC and BD are diagonals. Clearly we need to understand. Again we have to find AC distance and BD distance. Finally we can say required answer. So first one, AC distance. AC is a diagonal. What is the distance between AC? So by using the distance formula, A coordinates and C coordinates. So AC equals to, so here what I am given? A coordinates. A coordinates are 6 comma 8. 6 comma 8. And C coordinates, what I am given? C coordinates minus 2 comma minus 2. Am I clear? Minus 2 comma minus 2. So by using distance, what is the distance formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So A coordinates x1 y1 taken, the C coordinates x2 y2. So x2 nothing but minus 2 minus x1 6 whole square plus y2 minus 2 minus y1 8 whole square. So it can be written square root of minus 2 minus 6 minus 8 whole square plus here minus 2 minus 8 minus 10 whole square. So what is the value? Square root of minus 8 whole square nothing but positive 64 minus 10 whole square positive 100. So what is the total? Root over 164. That is the AC distance. So AC is a diagonal. The distance is square root of 164. And similarly we need to find BD distance also by using the distance formula. Here what is the B coordinates? So B coordinates are B coordinates 3 comma 7, D coordinate 1 comma minus 1, 3 comma 7, 3 comma 7, B coordinates, D coordinates 1 comma minus 1. You can verify it again, 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma minus 1. So by using the distance formula, so what is the distance formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. B coordinates what I am taken x1 y1, D coordinates x2 y2. So first one x2 1 minus x1 3 whole square plus, so x2 minus x1 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus 1 minus y1 7 whole square. Square root of, it can be 1 minus 3 minus 2 whole square plus here minus 1 minus 7 minus 8 whole square. So it can be written square root of minus 2 whole square, positive 4 minus 8 whole square, positive 64. What you are getting? Square root of 68. So that is a BD distance. So clearly we need to understand. So BD and AC are diagonals. AC what I am getting? Value square root of 164, but BD are root over 68. So AC and BD are not equal. So diagonals are not equal. That given quadrilateral should be parallelogram. Option A is right answer, because in rectangle diagonals are equal, but what I am getting? Not equal. So AC length and BD length are not equal. So the given quadrilateral parallelogram. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 6. Name of the quadrilateral formed by the points, 4 points, 3, 2, 11, 8, 8, 12, 0, 6. Option A parallelogram, option B rhombus, option C rectangle, option D square. So clearly we need to verify it. So here 4 sides quadrilateral given. We don't know that quadrilateral. So A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. So 4 sides. What I am given? The A coordinate 3 comma 2, B coordinate 11 comma 8, C coordinate 8 comma 12, and the D coordinates 0 comma 6. So it is formed. So they are formed which are the following quadrilateral. So first one we need to find the AB, BC, CD and DA distances. So by using the distance formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is a distance formula. Okay. So what is the distance formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We need to find the AB distance first. So we need to find AB distance. So what is the A coordinates here? So A coordinates are 3 comma 2, B coordinates 11 comma 8, 11 comma 8. So by using the distance formula, so what is the distance between AB? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here what is x2? 11 minus x1 3 whole square plus y2 nothing but 8 minus 2 y1 whole square. x2 minus x1, y2 minus y2 whole squares. Okay. Square root of 11 minus 3, 8 square plus 8 minus 2, 6 square. So square root of 8 square value 64, again 6 square value 36. What is the total? 100. So what is 100 square root? 10. So AB, what I am getting? AB distance equals to 10. Then we have to find BC again. So what is the distance between BC? So here B coordinates what I am given? 11 comma 8 and C coordinates 8 comma 12. 8 comma 12. By using the distance formula, x2 minus x1 square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 value 8 or 11, whatever you choose. So it will be considered x1, x2, it is x2, y2. So what I am taking x2, 8 minus x1, 11 whole square plus x2, y2 12 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus x1, 8 minus 11 whole square, y2 minus y1, 12 minus 8 whole square. So it can be written 8 minus 11, nothing but minus 3 whole square plus this is 12 minus 8, 4 square. Minus 3 whole square, nothing but positive 9 plus